is for apple. B is for bike. C is for car. D is for dinosaur. E is for elephant. F is for flowers. G is for giraffe. H is for hat. I is for iron. J is for judge. K is for king. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for nut. O is for octopus. P is for penguin. Q is for quill. R is for reading. S is for sandcastle. T is for turtle. U is for umbrella. V is for vegetable. W is for whale. X is for xylophone. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra. Thanks for watching. Share, like, subscribe.